Here we've got Samsung Galaxy A30s, and let me show you all the ringtones that you can use on this device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and pick settings. Here you have to go to sound and vibration and pick a ringtone. Now select whichever SIM card you would like to change this ringtone to, and let's come along with all possible options, starting with 80s phone. And these are all ringtones that you can use. Now just pick the one that you would like to apply, for example, home command. And let's go back. As you can see, it has been already changed. So this is it. This is how you can change ringtone in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.